Typing a sentence and generating a beautiful AI image in 2026 takes 3 seconds. But producing a highly specific, commercial-ready graphic remains surprisingly difficult. Many creators find themselves trapped in an endless loop, wasting hours trying to force a single generator to fix a misspelled word, align a logo, or adjust the layout for a thumbnail. 2 platforms currently dominate this space: Midjourney and the ChatGPT image generator. Both produce excellent results, but they approach the task from completely opposite directions. Look at this diagram outlining the industry logic. Creators tend to operate under a false assumption that they must choose a side. On the left, we have Midjourney, which owns the territory of cinematic quality and lighting. On the right, we have ChatGPT, which leads in conversational editing and precise text generation. Choosing one circle inherently means sacrificing the power of the other. You either give up aesthetic polish, or you give up workflow speed. Top-tier professionals have stopped choosing. Instead, they build a unified stack right in that overlapping center. We'll break down the inputs, the operational friction, and the final return on investment of running both platforms side by side. Relying on one tool leaves you vulnerable to its specific limitations. Integrating both is the strategic way to eliminate those bottlenecks completely. To understand why a combined workflow is necessary, we have to look at the points of failure in isolation. We'll start with the standard Midjourney solo pipeline. This flowchart maps the process. It requires intensive inputs. You have to master complex prompt structures, understand aspect ratio commands, and tweak stylization parameters to get exactly what you want. The reward for that steep learning curve is an unrivaled aesthetic. You get cinematic lighting, incredible textures, and compositions that look like they belong in a high-end commercial. But the process hits a wall the moment you need typography or localized edits. Making a small, precise adjustment in Midjourney without altering the entire image requires hours of frustrating trial and error. Now let's evaluate the alternative, the ChatGPT solo pipeline. Here is the second path. The input here is much simpler. You don't need parameters. You use natural, conversational language to request and refine your image. This pipeline excels at rapid iteration. You can instantly strip a background, perfectly generate readable text, and resize the canvas for different social feeds by simply asking the AI to do it. The trade-off is in the final aesthetic. ChatGPT yields a flatter, highly consistent but less sophisticated artistic style that frequently fails to meet the standards of high-end cinematic production. Using a single AI platform guarantees a workflow bottleneck. You are forced to compromise in the art department or fail in the layout department. Creators who need both high-end visual quality and fast iteration speed typically move toward a hybrid pipeline. This central flowchart outlines the hybrid method. Step 1 is generating your foundational base asset in Midjourney to secure that premium lighting and composition. Step 2 is exporting that pristine, text-free image out of the Midjourney environment. Step 3 is importing that raw, high-quality asset directly into the ChatGPT ecosystem. Step 4 is leveraging ChatGPT's conversational engine to overlay perfect typography, execute precise localized edits, and format the graphic for your specific platforms. Look at this split-screen comparison. On the left is the raw Midjourney output, maximum visual fidelity. On the right, the final hybrid result, giving you precise, iterative control over layout and copy without degrading the base art. Maintaining this dual tool setup requires 2 separate premium subscriptions, which doubles your monthly software overhead. It also introduces operational friction. You have to manually transfer files across 2 distinct company ecosystems every time you create an asset. But you have to weigh that minor friction against the hours wasted trying to force a single tool to perform a function it simply wasn't built for. The hybrid pipeline requires a higher initial investment of money and setup. In exchange, it guarantees a commercial-ready final asset in a fraction of the time. Selecting the right toolset depends on your specific professional identity and daily output requirements. The dual subscription pipeline is powerful, but it is an unnecessary overinvestment if your work is casual or highly specialized. We built this decision matrix to help you map exactly which workflow justifies your time and money. We track the importance of visual quality on the vertical axis against the need for speed and text editing on the horizontal. The first profile is the Agile Communicator. This includes beginners, students, solo bloggers, and internal corporate communicators. If you fit this profile, use the ChatGPT Solo pipeline. Sheer speed and absolute text accuracy matter far more to your daily work than museum-quality artistic depth. The second profile is the Visual Perfectionist. These are concept artists, NFT creators, and high-end illustrators. The Midjourney Solo pipeline is built for you. The raw, unedited image is your final product, which makes ChatGPT's layout and text tools completely irrelevant. The final profile is the Optimizing Professional. This covers social media managers, YouTubers, marketing agency designers, and small business owners. For this group, a hybrid stack provides the most efficient path. These roles require both high-end visuals for engagement and precise text formatting to drive conversions. When an image needs to go from a raw concept to a multi-platform campaign in an afternoon, saving 4 or 5 hours of manual retouching often offsets the cost of a second subscription.